Can you update Blox Fruits Auto Farm? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to discuss about legit and a safe way to improve your farming in Blox Fruits without using scripts or risking a ban. So first, you need to use the right fruit. Some fruits are even better for farming. Try using the light fruit, Buddha fruit, magma fruit, and also unlock and maximize the haki. Aura or Buso haki boost your damage and lets you hit Logia enemies. So train it by constantly fighting the NPCs with it enabled and use a private server. You will get all NPCs to yourself and respawns are faster. There will be no interference from other players as well. And you can grind in the right areas. Always farm NPCs at or slightly above your level for the best EXP, and use a level guide like Starter Island, Jungle, Pirate Village, Desert, etc. And upgrade your melee or sword for consistency. If you're using Buddha, keep leveling melee and defense, and for lighter magma, focus on the fruit stat. Also do boss fights regularly and complete daily quests for extra XP and rewards. Some items increase damage, HP, or cooldowns, so try equipping the flame accessory, swan glasses, hunter cape, and etc. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.